Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Busy Being Chrissy. If you are new here, hello and welcome. If you are a returning subscriber or a closet watcher, hey, and welcome back. If you are a closet watcher, I don't know why you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Help me reach that goal. But for now, join us while we meet up with Quentin and Mia to grab a quick bite to eat at Blended Flavors located in Linden, New Jersey. I don't like my baby growing up. She's growing up. And I don't like it. So we really enjoyed Blended Flavors and the food. I mean, we cleaned our plates. The food was delicious. Someone had told Daryl that they didn't have a good experience as far as the food, but we did. So sometimes it's good to just try places on your own and form your own opinion.
Say, oh yeah.
Oh, it's solid. It's solid. It's solid.
My food was so delicious. I don't know what them people was talking about. But anyway, our original plans for coming to Jersey was to get up here super early in the morning, at least by 9 or 10, to set up our table, tent, and chairs for the House Music Festival in Roselle that they have every year. But because my husband worked late the night before, we got an extremely late start getting to Jersey, so we decided to forego going to the festival and to just grab a bite to eat, and then after that go see my in-laws. We even drove by the park and noticed that people were parking at least 6 blocks away. I didn't want that. So we said, let's just go next year. Let's just go next year. But no, after we ate, Daryl decided, let's just go by for a little bit and see what's happening so we'll know what to expect for next year. I'm not a fan of stepping in this grass. Yeah, there go a path, but I'll be right on the path. So this is actually the following weekend on Sunday, and I decided to make stuffed bell peppers because Amaya had said I hadn't made them in such a long time. So I went to Food Lion as soon as they opened to get everything that I needed. And the crazy thing was they didn't have not one green pepper. So I just had to work with the red, the yellow, and the orange, which has a slightly sweeter taste than the green anyway. I would have liked to have the green, but I was not going to go back out looking for green peppers. So you just want to start by cutting off your tops and cleaning your peppers. And you want to save some of those tops because you want to actually chop them up to add them to your ground beef or your ground turkey. Blanching them is completely up to you for a few seconds if you want to soften them up. If you want to keep them more crispy and sturdy, don't blanch. When it comes to seasoning your meat, by all means, season it the way you want to season it. For me, I find that ground turkey doesn't hold a lot of flavor. I'm still looking for that perfect balance to get my turkey meat seasoned. So I use 2 packs of taco seasoning. I use some cumin, some smoked paprika, black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a little bit of minced garlic. So stuffed bell peppers have always been a childhood favorite of mine. I'm an only child, so I grew up with just my mom and my stepdad for a long time. And she made stuffed bell peppers once a week. My stepdad was very controlling and abusive, so he was very regimented in the things that we could do and the things that we had in the house. Like for cereal, I was only allowed to eat Frosted Flakes. I know our menu, we would have meatloaf one night, we would have stuffed bell peppers, we would have fried chicken, usually on Sundays, we would have spaghetti, we would have fried fish. Like the menu rarely changed. So like 10 years ago, I was at home. I have 4 children all together, and I was like, you know what, let me make something different for dinner. Let me try something that I haven't tried with them before. So I recalled the stuffed bell peppers, and I decided to make them. Wasn't sure how it was going to go over with my sons because they hate vegetables, but they enjoyed it so much. They really enjoyed it. They even ate the peppers. after their initial confusion of what should they do with the pepper though. But right now I am going to chop up some sausage to go in with my ground turkey, and I'm going to be using this ragu here. Now, if you ever watch any of my cooking videos and you question on how I chop something up, don't even worry about it. My knife skills are not the best, but in my house we like our vegetables to be a little bit more chunky. Like when we're adding things in, like our onions, our peppers, we just like things to be a little bit more chunky. We actually don't want them chopped extra fine or minced extra fine. We like it chunky. So I'm just adding in the meat to the mixture that's already going. And I'm also going to add in a pack of pico. Pico is a game changer for me. I add it to my salads. I add it to my pasta dishes. I only brought one pack. I wish I had two, but one pack will just have to do. And also on that counter is some yellow rice. I'm going to add that in. We had that earlier in the week and it's the leftover, so I'm going to add that in. We usually add in white rice because I am straight up Geechee. I love my white rice, but Daryl is a yellow rice fan. I want to try and go ahead and use up the rest of this mozzarella cheese, but I do have 2 other bags of cheeses that I'll also be using. I wanted to actually do a layering type effect with this, a layering type, but I was tired, it was late, I was hungry, so I ended up just stuffing the peppers, adding the cheese, and putting them in the oven. I ended up having to switch pans because that foil pan was just not big enough. And also I have to apologize because I did not get footage of the pepper and the Texas toast on a plate because it was just late and I was tired. But going forward, I'll make sure to include that. Please let me know if you decide to make this, or if you do make it, how it turns out by leaving a comment below. And thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
You send chills up my spine every time I take one look at you. Ooh, and I like it. Girl, you're blowing my mind with the things you say to me. I like the way you comb your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. It's just the little things you do that show how much you really care. Like when I fall in love with you, you know exactly what to do. You move my body, and shine so bright.